What? What are you doing? What do you got? Pick it up. Liam?
Liam.
Everybody duck.
Liam. Put it away, buddy.
Liam, go put that back. There he goes. Your foot is right in my way. Here he goes. Pick it up, honey. Go put the broom away. Pick it up and go put it away. Forget that. Okay, see ya. I'm gonna go get the mop. That's what's scary. That's what I was like, As he comes up with the Swiffer, I'm out of here. The suspense is killing me. Oh my God, there he is. Amos. Well, my job is done.
I know, that's my boy. Oh, no, hold on. We're back to the broom.
Oh. Oh. Oh, careful. Oh.
Yo.
It's all fun and games until the broom goes through the TV.
What do you want?
Did cleaning take it out of you?
What do you want? What? What is it? What is milk? Milk? Please? Okay. More? Okay.
Go get the milk out of the...
Liam, put the broom away.
Yeah, put the broom away. Come on, Cinderella. Watch out.
Go put it away. Go put it away.
Go put the broom away and then get the milk out of the fridge. Go help Graham. Oh. Watch your head. Go get the milk out of the fridge. Liam, get the milk.